Hello, I'm Chris Cook, Product Manager for Vulcan Food Equipment Group. Today I'm going to be talking to you about our MSA Griddle. The MSA Griddle, to me, is the epitome of durability and flexibility. And what do I mean by durability and flexibility? The flexibility that you have with the MSA Griddle is the fact that it does not need an electrical hookup. Because it doesn't require an electrical hookup, this is an ideal placement for renovations, constructions where you don't have electricity already in place. That makes it a lot easier for placement of the griddle on the line so they can put it wherever they want to put it and they're not bound by the electrical requirements that you need. Pilot protection system is also a really nice feature to have. With the pilot protection system, if the pilot were to go out on the MSA griddle, the gas would be shut off so you don't have to worry about gas building up in your kitchen environment. So that's a safety consideration for you and all of the employees that may be around this unit. I would also recommend a Piezo ignition as an accessory to this unit, because with that Piezo ignition, if the pilot should go out, then you can use the Piezo ignition to relight the unit without having to use a match or any other kind of lighting apparatus. One of the other things to look at when you think about the MSA griddle is take a look at the heavy gauge construction on the dividers on top, the knob guards on the front. This is designed for durability. The heavy gauge on the splashes are designed so that you can't damage those easily, and the knob guards are designed so that when you brush against this equipment during the heavy operations in your kitchen, you don't have to worry about your knobs being knocked off of the units. Lastly, think about the embedded thermostat that comes with this unit as well. With embedded thermostat, you have a temperature range of 200 to 550 degrees with a plus or minus 15-degree variation from your set point. By having a limited deviation from your set point, you have more consistency with your product coming off, and chefs are able to cook with an understanding that they will be able to have a consistent temperature across their plate as they're doing their operations. So in summary, just look at it again, durability and flexibility is the name of the game with the MSA griddle. It has the no electricity requirement, so it can be placed anywhere on the line, and it's great for renovations. It has a pilot protection system that if the pilot should go out, the gas will stop flowing, so you don't have to worry about that gas buildup in your kitchen. You have the heavy gauge splashes as well as the knob guards on the unit. And finally, you have the embedded snap action thermostat to help you get more consistent temperatures across your entire griddle plate. If you have any questions about this equipment, please reach out to Vulcan. And again, my name is Chris Cook. Thank you for your time.